Hey everyone, welcome to the U50 assembly tutorial video. U50 is a heavy bike, so we recommend having two people lift it out of the box. If you are on your own, lay the box on its side and slide the bike out instead of lifting it. When you take your U50 out of the box, the first thing to do is remove all the packaging materials. Your U50 comes with a box that includes the pedals, a quick release skewer, a manual, hardware for the fender, several tools for the assembly, and another box containing your U50 charger. The U50 stem ships facing backward for packing. Before anything else, loosen the stem bolts, rotate the stem to face forward, then tighten it back up. To install the handlebar, first remove the 4 screws using a 4mm Allen key. Before tightening the screws, adjust the handlebar to your desired position. Before installing the front wheel and the quick release skewer, make sure to remove the protective plastic and the fender from the wheel. Take off one end and one of the springs from the skewer. Also, remove the caliper spacer before installing the wheel. Insert the quick release skewer from the opposite side of the disc rotor. When putting the spring back on, make sure the wider end is facing outward. Align the disc rotor with the fork, tighten it up, and always lock the quick release skewer facing upward. Next, align the brake caliper so the rotor does not rub against the brake pads. Loosen the 2 screws on the caliper, then push or pull the caliper until you have an equal gap between the rotor and the pads on both sides. Once it is centered, tighten the screws back up. The best way to check your work is to push the tire forward and then stop it. If the alignment is correct, the wheel will roll back. The fender attaches to the fork with 2 clips. Open each clip and push it onto the fork leg, making sure the rubber piece sits between the clip and the fork. Hand tighten the screws for now, because you will need to move the clips later. The headlight goes on before the fender. Take the screw off the back of the fork. Position the headlight behind the fork, then slide the fender in behind it. Line them up, put the screw back in, and hand tighten it. Do not tighten it all the way yet, because the fender still has to reach the clips. Once the fender is sitting where you want it, loosen the screws on the clips and remove them. Attach the fender to the clips, then put the screws back in and tighten them down. Now go back and tighten the top screw. Make sure the screws on the headlight itself are properly tightened, otherwise the light can drop out of position when you ride over bumps. Before installing the pedals, we recommend lubricating the threads with any standard lubricant. The pedals are marked left and right, so make sure to install them on the correct side. Use the included wrench to secure them firmly. And that is it. Your U50 assembly is done. Before your first ride, go back over the bike and check all the screws. Tighten any that are loose. Thanks for watching and enjoy your U50.